How to color your hair with tea. In brief moments, a written explanation. Most people do not know that you can dye your hair effectively at home without any chemicals. Just a couple of tea bags and some herbs will dye your hair naturally. This method is cheap and effective. Things you'll need: tea bags, pan, sage, rosemary, bowl. Easy dye. Boil 1 cup of water in a large pan. Adding 3 tea bags to the water, allow the tea to steep. Add 1 teaspoon each of rosemary and sage, either fresh or dried, to the tea. Allow the tea to sit for 24 hours. Strain the tea. Pour the tea into a large enough bowl to place the majority of your head into. If you prefer, you can pour the tea into a spray bottle. These can be bought at almost any department store and are relatively cheap in price. Shampoo your hair as you normally do. Pour the tea onto your hair, making sure you cover your whole head with the tea. You can use a spray bottle to spray the mixture onto your head instead if this method is easier for you. Slightly dry your hair with a towel, but do not rinse. Your hair should be darker in color almost immediately, but you may need to continue the process until you reach the color you want. Tips: you may have to try this method several times before reaching the results you wish to achieve. Black teas will attain a darker brown/black color and are best to use when trying to cover gray hair. You may want to wear gloves when putting the tea in your hair to prevent staining. If you like the video and you think it can help you, I invite you to give it a like, share the video with your friends and subscribe to my channel, so you don't miss any videos. Here you have other videos that may interest you.